just got a call. Scuba's got one on the hook and he's stuck. So we're gonna head in and see if we can help Scuba get his wrecker unstuck.
So we're following Eric out to get Scuba and Thad. Sounds like Scuba got stuck and Thad broke something. So Troy's my chauffeur for the day, and we've got Eric in front of us. So we're following Eric out, and with Eric today we have some special guests. Nikki and his mom Teresa came out to row with us. So we're going to follow them out and we'll meet Nikki later.
I'm thinking it's Scuba we're here for. But they got Thad right there. And I would think Thad's wrecker would be strong enough because it's a dually. But maybe not.
I think there's issues. Looks like Scuba really sunk his wrecker. So I don't know the whole story on how Scuba got himself in this situation, but he was buried.
There I was, minding my own business.
Yeah! 3 of the 44-inch tires that he runs on there disappeared in that mud. I can tell you though, that after we got that Ford on its wheels in the last video, and it was running, they headed off to recovery that Thad was actually called out on prior to the Ford rolling over on Sunset. That's where we were, at the bottom of a hill called Sunset. And the recovery was a buggy. The buggy was sitting off the trail in the woods, already down from the hill. So I don't know if Thad towed it down from the hill, if Scuba towed it down from the hill, I'm not sure. But I do know that Thad tried to rescue Scuba and ended up breaking the rear pinion yoke on his wrecker.
I don't know if you can back up and lift him, if you start to lift up.
And yeah.
I don't think Thad's wrench is working right. I don't think it doesn't seem like it has any power.
Doesn't have any power.
But if you can,
Yep.
Polak's got a snatch block coming down. Polak said he's helping regardless of what I say.
Right up here.
I want to be able to see.
Yeah, but how about we put right up here?
Sure. As long as I can see, I'm happy.
Hey, you're kind of famous now.
A little bit.
I see you on Matt's Towing.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Stop and hook my winch line to the passenger side of Scuba's wrecker. We were lifting the driver's side too high and not breaking the suction on the passenger side. At the same time we were doing that, Polak wanted the truck to anchor the backside of his Jeep because his Jeep was sliding towards the tree that he was using the snatch block off of. Now it was time to anchor the front of my wrecker because the driver's front in my wrecker was lifting a little too high for comfort.
So it looks like they're going to hook up the buggy to the front of Eric's wrecker so that he stops lifting. You see his tire down there is lifting off the ground. See how it's lightening in the front? We don't want that front to be light, so they're going to pull it back down.
4 vehicles connected to the one. Keep it all stable. I love it.
So we ran out of room on the winch cable. Scuba was almost out. We're not sure if he could drive out or not. We decided to put a little short strap between my wrecker and his wrecker, just in case we had to give him a little bit of a tug. But before we could move forward, we had a little traffic go by. Yes, that was the Ford truck that was rolled over in the last video.
Got Scuba out, but he was towing a buggy back and busted an airline on his airbags, so we're going to pick up the buggy and take that back.
Well, I said Scuba was towing the buggy. To be honest with you, I'm not really sure if he was towing the buggy or Thad was. But either way, both of their wreckers were a little disabled now, so guess who gets to tow the buggy back?
You can't wheel a Commander.
Move up a little, Troy. So what happened?
I broke the rear drive shaft off, and when that come unglued, it hit my floor pan, which buckled the floor a little bit, and then caused my MSB box to crack. So I no longer have ignition. So that's the main problem why it won't start and just drive out of here is two-wheel drive.
Wow.
Otherwise, we could fix the drive shaft and we'd be back in business later, but without MSD, I don't have extra to that.
So I want to be right on that plate. Yep, exactly.
I can't tell.
So that's where we want to be.
Okay, well, we got the buggy on the hook, and we got to go against traffic here for a little bit to get to one of our tow truck easy exits. Looks like we're kind of stuck in traffic here. This has changed a little bit since they logged it off. I had to go make sure I had a path.
got there?
Just missing a few pieces on one end.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Boy, that must have been a big bang.
Yes, it was very loud. I was going to help. I was just making sure you're fully unhooked. Right. It's all good.
Okay, we got him back in the campground. Abby's getting him a sticker, and we got to head right back in. All right, well, you were on the hook, so you get one of these.
All righty, thank you.
You're welcome. We got to get going. Another one to get.
Until next time, thanks for watching BSF Recovery Team. Don't forget to check out our merchandise. There's a link in the description. Keep wheeling, be safe, and maybe we'll see you out there in the woods.